This Old Guy DIY video demonstrates the $7 7-minute solution that I came up with to provide a structure inside a boat. So when a hot chick that I know covers her boat for the winter, the rain, snow, and leaves should stay off. So she had 3 metal poles. She said, here, put these things somewhere in the middle. And based on people I've seen use poles before, they're just a pain in the rear. They fall over and they put a lot of stress on the tarp itself. So I went to the barn. I grabbed a piece of 1/2-inch PVC. I drilled a hole in each end. And then I just used this center seat support as a tie-off point. So I just put a wire through the PVC, wrapped it back on itself once, and then I had a little Conestoga wagon support here in the middle. Then I went to the front of the boat. I have a carabiner with a piece of paracord attached to it. I ran the paracord from the carabiner to the Conestoga wagon support. I just wrapped it around here twice. There's no knot. So when I pulled it tight there at the back, I was able to move this thing around. Since it's just wrapped on there twice, you can go forward or back and try to line it up so it's nice and straight. I loosened this side up to give you a better view of what I did here. So I just wrapped twice around that piece of 1/2-inch PVC. There's no knot of any type. Then I came to the back. This comes back to the handle. So I put a loop here so I can come back around the handle, come over to the loop, pull on that, apply some tension, put a little knot on it, and everything will be nice and tight. Now that I have this set up the way I want it, and I just came up with this great plan a couple minutes ago, I'm going to go grab some electrical tape, and I'm going to put tape here just to hold this in position so in the course of the winter it doesn't slide down. And then I'll put the cover back on and that'll be that. But when it's time to remove it, all you do is come back here and take that knot out, and this is effectively hanging loose. Do the same thing on the other side. You just untwist the wire here, untwist the wire on the other side, and then remove the carabiner, and that whole thing comes off the boat. It'll take you about 3 minutes, and when you're ready to put it back on next year, it's just a matter of reinstalling these 2 wires, just wrapping them around the boat. And if you care for additional support, it's real easy to add additional ribs where these other seats are. In her case, she's not using this to tow. She's only using the cover to keep the weather off through the winter. So I think this will be very adequate. This is what my high-tech solution looks like when it's been removed from the boat. So I pulled this off just so I can show you how it goes on. Here's a closer look at what I did with the wire on the end. And we'll go get my lovely assistant. She'll film in the 2 minutes it takes me to install this. All right, so you just took this thing out of storage. We go to the front of the boat, just clip the carabiner on. Take this piece of PVC. Walk back to the midpoint of the boat where we're going to attach it down here. Run one wire through. Now we'll go to the other side. So just bring the PVC down, and you can see how the bow is kind of pushed against the side of the boat just because of the resistance. So I take the wire here, just wrap it around, grab my rope on this side, come to the back of the boat, feed the rope through the handle, put the end of the rope through the little loop in the rope, and I can pull it back and put as much tension on it as I want. And I just make a little knot here. Go and grab the other piece of rope, come to the back of the boat again, through the handle, take the loose end through the loop, pull back to put tension on the whole works. Just hold that so I can tie my knot. Tie a little knot. And that's all it takes to put the support structure together. So now I'm ready to put the boat cover on this boat. And all these pieces of wire do is keep this thing from popping up when it's windy or rainy or whatever the case is. And the tape on top of the rope make sure that this stays in location so when it's removed and thrown on the floor in the garage for a few months, it stays where it's supposed to be. It's a very inexpensive technique that requires very little time to install and remove, and I believe it's going to be very efficient. So I hope this little video helped you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. This is what it looks like with the cover over that little support structure.